So cute. March 23rd is National Puppy Day, a special day dedicated to our four-legged, furry friends. And some of your favorite celebrities, including Ariana Grande and Justin Bieber, decided to share their own puppy love on Twitter and Instagram. See the sweet pics. You may like Yorkies. You may prefer pit bulls. You may love Labradors or dote over dachshunds. But all dog lovers celebrate together on National Puppy Day, March 23rd. And some of your favorite celebrities took to Twitter and Instagram to share pictures of their own furry friends. From Justin Bieber to Ariana Grande, and Vanessa Hudgens to Kaylee Cuoco, everyone seemed to enjoy National Puppy Day. National Puppy Day, Justin Bieber and celebs share pictures of their cute dogs. National Puppy Day was started by celebrity pet expert Colleen Page, who started the event in 2006 as a way to save orphaned puppies from rescue shelters. For the last 9 years, Colleen has turned March 23rd into a day to celebrate adopting shelter dogs and raising awareness over the horrors of puppy mills, all while celebrating the love people have for their dogs.